welcome to, I guess, my YouTube channel. This is my very first YouTube channel like ever. I'm usually just on Instagram at Queen Elizabeth, and I will leave my Instagram tag here. I am going to be reviewing a really cool clip-in set that I got from a black-owned, because y'all know I'm serious about my black-owned businesses. I only endorse exclusively black-owned businesses, with the exception of the last clip-in set that I used before. But I was kind of pressed to find a black-owned business brand, and I finally found one that is, of course, based here in the US, founded by black women. They sell kinky textured hair, and they're called Modern Fro. I'm gonna show you what the hair looks like when I first got it. It's gonna be shown in this clip right here. He opened the hair already, and I've already worn it about twice just to make sure that I was fully prepared for this review. This is what the hair comes in when you open the box. It is a beautiful satin little baggie, a satin sack. The only thing I would say about this is that once the hair is picked out, it does not fit in this again. So I would probably recommend them either making a bigger box or a bigger sack that it comes in, just so that I can store my hair in a safe place once I've used it. I also get a beautiful wooden comb, and wooden combs are actually much more healthier to use than metal combs or plastic combs, just because they don't snag the hair. And then you also get 2 extra little clip-ins just in case your clip-ins fall off. The bundle of hair is actually enough to cover your entire head. The bundle comes with 2 sets of 5 of the length of 5 clip-ins. So this is what it looks like. This is the texture of the hair after it's been worn already twice. So I picked it just a little bit. This is what it looks like. It does not shed as much as I thought, and it actually doesn't tangle that much either. It's not very stiff, but it is what you'd expect from a natural like 4B, 4C texture. It's not going to be flowy, but it is, you know, pretty soft. The next thing we have is clip-ins that have enough for about 4 clip-ins. So there's a longer length 4 clip-in set and the shorter length. So this is what the longer length looks like. Again, this has 4 clip-ins to it. There are 2 clip-ins that come like this. So far we're at 4 sets of clip-ins. This is what it looks like. Again, this is 20 inches. This is also a set of 4 clip-ins, but it's slightly shorter than the ones I just showed you. Here is a 3, 2, and 1. So it is a lot of hair, and the last 2 times that I tried on this hair and installed this hair, I actually couldn't fit all the hair on my head. You have the option of braiding your hair down. It's still going to cover your entire head, or you have the option of just clipping it between your hair as it's out, which is what I normally do when I install the hair. It's recommended that when you receive the hair, you shampoo and condition the hair. I shampooed and conditioned this hair with Sana hair care, which I'll show a little clip of what I used following this. Those products were super duper moisturizing and effective for these. They do have a bit of a drying time, so be mindful of that. But overall, they're awesome. So let's get into installing. That was